Johnny writes, Yo, Rover, earlier today I saw Dieter on his Harley heading east on I-90 towards Ashtabula. He had a big plaster footprint from a Bigfoot strapped to the back of the bike.
I got some hair samples. I set the bait, so now it's just a waiting game. Set up some cameras. They always say it sounds like a dump truck switching gears. That's what it sounds like, the noise he makes.
Well, what does that sound like? That's what Bigfoot sounds like?
A pussy sound.
I heard you guys read my email this morning about a Sasquatch Bigfoot sighting.
What are you hearing in the woods, Justin? What do these big feet sound like?
You hear the dogs holler, and then you that's what you hear.
Whoa.
He may be in, if you're hearing that, he may be in heat. I advise you to stay away, man.
You think it sounds like what, Dom?
Yeah, like a big like diesel truck when they shift gears, they're like grr, grr, like they had that big that sound. That's what the big feet are.
And you think it sounds like what, Dieter?
Well, I said it was gear shifting.
But the howl is means he's in heat, is what you're saying.
Yes.
I have hunting property in Ashtabula. I have 8 IR cameras out at all times, 365 days a year. Nothing but, deer, coyotes.
Big feet are so smart, they'll catch a deer, eat it, hollow out the inside, and then put the carcass on the Bigfoot, and he can walk around undetected.
Really?
He actually has the deer over his shoulders and the antlers on his head. And when he crawls down, he's that quick. It just looks like a deer. So all those times you're seeing deers, go back and double check, zoom in, and see if there's actually something underneath this thing. They're that smart.